there, welcome back to another episode of WebTech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how you can create Huntington bank account for yourself. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon and never miss another update from us. Now let's begin. Click open a web browser first, and soon after you do that, type in www.huntington.com and press the enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the official website of Huntington Bank account. Now, in order to create an account, go and click on Enroll Now at the upper right. Once you reach to the page, you'll need to enter your information in order to create an account. Go through the information under Who Can Apply Online and what you'll need in order to create an account. If you have a promotion code, click on Yes and enter your code in the text field and click on Get Started. If you don't have one, click on No and click on Get Started, and on the next page, answer a question with a yes or a no. Now, enter your information by starting with your first name in the first text field. If you have a middle name, then go ahead and type it in the next field. If not, you can simply type in your last name. After you're done, enter your email address and click on Yes, my email is correct. You'll need to answer some eligibility questions by simply picking from yes or no. And after you're done filling all the information, click on Continue. Soon after you do that, on the next page, you'll need to enter your credit card's information and your CVV number, and therefore you'll be able to create an account on Huntington. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.